I'm in Madagascar. I'm in a sailboat called Lunamon. To get here, I took a flight from Addis to Antananarivo. Antananarivo? After Antananarivo, I took another flight to Toliar. And on Toliar, we found the boat. We got on the boat and we sailed away. Now we are in the middle of the ocean. Where? I don't know. All I know is I'm here on the boat and it's fabulous. And I'm going to give you a little tour of this fabulous boat. Let's go. Lunamon is truly a special boat. She was built in Holland back in 1910. She's made of a strong steel and has mainly tall sails, which means she can really fly across the water. When she was new, she worked as a pilot boat, helping guide bigger ships safely into port. Later, she became a fishing boat, specially catching herrings. During World War II, the owner actually sank her on purpose near Rotterdam so the enemy couldn't get to her. In 1994, they pulled her back up and fixed her, and she went right back into fishing. In 1980s, a man named Hank found the old boat and had big ideas. He spent 3 years changing her into a beautiful schooner, a type of sailboat with lots of masts and sail. He named her Elizabeth Louvre, and she became famous for racing in tall ship events all over Europe, even helped teach people how to sail. She's so well known that she's even on a list of the world's greatest old sailing ships. Around 2018 or 2019, new people bought the boat and gave her a huge makeover in South Africa. Today, the Lunamon is more than just a piece of history. She's a thriving sailing school, training people from all over the world to master the art of sailing. She also leads exciting surf and kiteboarding adventures in Madagascar. Okay, let's go in here from this side. Hello. Hello, Christine Chef. I have brought camera on your faces, showcasing our lovely kitchen. These are the wonderful people keeping us alive, feeding us delicious food from this wonderful kitchen. And then this is the throne of our captain. Oh, does this go straight down? Where does this go? Where does this go? Oh, the captain's cabin. Oh la la, captain. Hello, captain. Can I come down there? Okay. Let me show you the captain's. Okay, so I don't fall on my face with my long dress.
Turn around. Be a good girl, turn around. Turn around.
Hello. Oh my God, what do you have in here?
It's turning to the storeroom.
Yeah, it's you
Because
live.
I've had to move everything out of the other cabins for you guys.
Oh, so now you have to live with all of this stuff.
all of the stuff. But I don't mind. I'm not worried by it. I'm not fazed by it.
You are accompanied by all this junk.
Yeah.
Great.
For now.
Oh, are these beanbags?
Yeah.
So we can have them out later?
Absolutely. Absolutely. If you want.
Yeah, because when the boys go surfing, I need to be sitting somewhere.
Yeah, no problem. I'll put them out for you.
Thank you. Oh, this is our wonderful captain. Tell me your name, I forgot.
David.
David, Captain David. Lunamon captain.
Owner.
And owner, exactly. So if you want to hire this boat, David is our guy.
Talk to.
Exactly. I'll put his information down in the description.
Fantastic.
Perfect.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. I'm gonna do the more of the tour of this boat.
Good.
Okay. Okay. Let me see. I don't want to follow my face on this thing. Okay. Is the look from here? Where did you guys watch the rugby from yesterday?
Yeah.
From
We watched it here.
on this television?
No, on Captain's left.
Ah, I see. Okay. Before we go to the back of the boat, let's go to the front of the boat. Aha! And we found a pretty girl sitting in the edge of the boat. Oh my God. Madam, strike a pose, please. Whip the hair here and there. Whip it in here. Ja, ja, ja. Yeah. You know, that's I whip my hair. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. Don't fall backwards. This is cute. You know, like I found in the captain's.
Look like a poodle.
No, stop it. Your hair looks fabulous. This okay. So
To the wet look.
no, you'll get used to it. It's the funeral is still going on.
Yeah.
We can hear.
For like 4 days.
Yeah, 3. They said 3.
Wow.
Yeah. So the funeral yesterday we thought. Let me turn around so you can see my face. Yesterday we thought it was a bar.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, yesterday we thought it was a bar.
Yeah, we did. We thought it was the bar.
So like we followed the music, and when we arrived, it was a funeral. So I mean, we're like, okay, music, people dancing. We just joined, and it was fun. Let me show you now the back of the boat. The back of the boat, and then here's Chef. Hello, Chef. He's hiding. He's getting ready for lunch. What do we got here? Pick up.
I'm in the tanning salon.
You're in the tanning salon.
Yeah. Trying to get my base going.
Okay, I let you to it. I leave you to it. Yeah, I let you tan. Hello, sir. And here are all the boards of the boys. There are no waves these days, yesterday and today. So today and yesterday, it's a chill time. And there will be surfing. While they're surfing, I will just be doing nothing and just hanging out on the boat and then going to shore and maybe swimming and snorkeling and stuff. But either way, this is the boats, the view of Mano, the tour of the boats. Let me turn it around so I can show you. Also, this it's a beautiful sailing boat. This boat sank into the ocean, but they got it out, restored it, and she's alive. And now I feel like a pirate. So now I am Capitan Yodi Esparro. Capitan Yodi Esparro. Ooh. Okay. This is the other side, and then let's go back inside to our living room. We eat here every day. Our breakfast, lunch, and dinners together here as a family. We watch movies and edit videos and talk to each other here. Fantastic. Those are our big bags that we decided to bring in the other day for movie nights. Our little coffee spot got here. Okay, let's go downstairs and show you the bedrooms. Back. Turn the lights. Okay, let's start with Takara's room. So we got one room here. Let me show you my bedroom. This is my bedroom. So we got 2 bedrooms. This is storage. Yeah. Okay, it's a storage. I can't open it. This is storage. And then we come here. We have another room here. And another room here, but it's Jason's room. He's sleeping, so I don't want to wake him up. I'll show you later. Let me see. Bathroom and number 1. Bathroom number 2. Casey and Luca sleep here. Niso and Tay sleep here. And then let's go over here. Okay, who's here? What? Hello. Is this your room?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Your room there? Show me your room. Oh. This is your room. Lights? Light? This is your room. Very good, Christy. Christy as our sister. She's our mother. She's our everything. And then what's in here? And then laundry room. We have laundry room here, which is perfect. So we can get our clothes washed while we're on board. And then what's in here? Storage for food. Yeah, and what is this? Another storage room. And then we have a shower. Perfect. And then let's go up the stairs from this side. Tuck. And here we are. Perfect. Give me a tour of Jason's room.
Okay, so this is Jason's room.
Let's see. This is the pharmacist's room.
Yes, the
Jason
pharmacist.
is our doctor, father, pharmacist, travel
Absolutely
agent.
He has every single kind of supplement that you can think of. Like, it's actually, he's Dr. Jason. Absolutely.
Dr. Jason, indeed.
He even had antibiotics for me for the rash, which is great. He's got that, he's got calamine lotion, even sleeping pills. I don't know what this is. Yes. First aid, antibiotic ointment. And
Yeah, and then
he seems pretty organized for a dude.
for a dude,
I think
he's very
actually
organized.
Way more organized than
No,
me.
I think
Christine?
Christine have been in here.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
And his cabin's also the only one that has the bathroom in it.
Let's see.
Schmancy.
Yeah, fancy schmancy indeed. Let's see the
Yes,
shower.
Very nice.
Wow, get in there. I mean, it's quite big because Takara is very tall. You know, come come here so they can see how tall you are.
I am
Yes.
very, very, very tall. My head
Next
almost
to you.
touched the lights, the
It's-
ceiling.
It's touching the ceiling.
It's touching
And
the
me,
ceiling.
I am the only midget on board.
Yeah. You are the most beautiful midget on board.
Thank you. Me and Christine. Because everybody is like super tall. What is this? You see, like I'm doing this for my size, and then like your head is being cut off, so I need to do this. Okay, let's get out of Jason's room. Let's go outside. Our fabulous flip-flops.